Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important parts of electric vehicles, the lithium-ion battery. Whether it's an electric scooter, an e-rickshaw, a car, or even a bus, lithium batteries are everywhere. But with this technology, many people also face problems like battery life issues, charging problems, and high replacement costs. So in this video, I will explain, what are lithium batteries? What common problems do they face in vehicles? How can we solve or prevent these issues? And finally, what is the future of vehicle batteries? Let's get started. Section 1. What is a lithium battery? A lithium-ion battery is a rechargeable battery that stores energy using lithium cells. It is lighter, more powerful, and charges faster compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. That's why most electric vehicles today use lithium batteries. For example, an e-scooter with a lithium battery will run longer, charge faster, and be easier to carry compared to a lead-acid model. But nothing is perfect. Let's talk about the problems now. Section 2. Common problems with lithium batteries in vehicles. 1. Overheating, thermal runaway. If the battery overheats during charging or usage, it can get damaged. In rare cases, it may even catch fire. 2. Overcharging and deep discharge. Charging the battery more than 100% reduces its life. Fully draining it to 0% also harms the cells. 3. Limited lifespan. A good lithium battery usually lasts 3 to 5 years. After that, the range reduces, and replacement becomes costly. 4. Performance in extreme temperatures. In very hot climates, batteries degrade faster. In very cold weather, range drops significantly. 5. Charging problems. Using the wrong charger or fast charging too often can reduce battery health. Sometimes the charging port itself gets loose or damaged. 6. Cell imbalance. If one cell inside the pack becomes weak, the whole battery performance suffers. 7. Cost factor. Lithium batteries are expensive. Replacing one in a car can cost thousands of dollars. Even for bikes, the replacement cost is quite high compared to lead-acid batteries. Section 3. Solutions and precautions. 1. Use proper charging habits. Don't charge the battery to 100% every time. 80 to 90% is enough. Don't let the charge drop to 0%. Recharge when it's around 20 to 30%. 2. Avoid extreme temperatures. Try not to park the vehicle in direct sunlight for long hours. In very cold areas, keep the vehicle in a garage. 3. Regular maintenance. Clean the battery terminals. Make sure the cooling system is working. 4. Use the correct charger. Always use the company-provided charger. Avoid cheap local chargers. 5. Battery Management System, BMS. A good BMS protects the battery from overcharging, overheating, and cell imbalance. 6. Drive smart. Avoid sudden acceleration all the time. Smooth driving keeps the battery healthy. Section 4. The future of vehicle batteries. Now the big question, what's the future of batteries? Researchers are working on solid-state batteries, which are safer, charge faster, and last longer. Some companies are testing sodium-ion batteries, which are cheaper and eco-friendly. Battery swapping stations are becoming popular in some countries, where you don't wait for charging. You just swap the old battery for a new one. So, the future looks very exciting. So friends, that was a complete guide to lithium batteries in vehicles, their problems, solutions, and future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.